Mom's still toiling away in her lab.
Hey! You want something? Sure, just let me know.
I bet his arm would be a lot better if he'd been able to eat a senzu bean. The androids made a real mess of this place. It's just me and Mom living here. I don't know if I have what it takes to be as strong as Gohan. I want more than anything to stop the androids. What if I can't do it? There's so much energy in this. There's so much energy in this. I can feel power surging through me.
Heya!
Welcome.
Feel free to browse. Come back real soon.
They look simple enough to beat. I better eat something. Here it comes! Here it comes! Take that! I should be able to fish around here. This looks like a keeper. Gohan.
Good, you're here. Let's get started with... Huh? What's with the long face?
Gohan, your arm. Are you okay?
Yeah. It's gonna take some getting used to, though. Oh, I get it. So that's why you seem so upset, Trunks.
I'm really sorry.
Don't worry about it, man. It's in the past, so no use thinking about it now. Besides, I'm just grateful I only lost an arm.
But...
Okay, if your head's not completely in this, then this is no time to be training.
No, I can still train with you.
Relax. It's okay. Sometimes a warrior has to refocus. You know what? I've got an idea. What do you say we go catch us some fish? Sound good?
Okay.
Looks like there's a red ribbon army drone in the area. Watch out!
You wanna go fishing? Where exactly?
U.S. city with a lighthouse on it. That ought to be a good spot.
Right. Come to think of it, I don't think I've ever gone fishing with anyone before.
Oh, that makes sense. Vegeta wasn't around when you were old enough to start.
Here it comes! Try this one! I barely made it. Oh. They look simple enough to beat.
I sure hope there aren't any people near that drum.
Take this!
Good. Made it just in the nick of time.
They look simple enough to beat.
That should be a good spot for us. You know how to fish, Trunks?
Yeah, I think so.
While we're here, how about a little competition? The one who catches the most fish wins.
What? No way! I definitely can't beat you in a fight, but I think I might actually be able to beat you in a fishing...
Good.
I'm not gonna lose.
Let's see.
Seems Gohan's already looking for a spot. This looks like a keeper. This looks like a keeper. right, I did it! I wonder how Gohan's doing. Wow, you caught a lot, Gohan.
Let's count them up. Huh. I think you caught more.
All right, I beat you! I beat you!
Way to go, Trunks. You might be a better fisherman than my dad.
So, what should we do with all the fish?
I don't know about you, but I'm pretty hungry. Let's cook them. Whew. I think I ate too much.
We did fish up a lot, didn't we?
Yeah, we sure did.
Is something wrong?
No. Just glad to see you're back to your old self.
Oh. Thanks. You went out of your way to make me feel better. Sorry if I worried you.
I didn't go out of my way at all. Think of this as just another part of your training.
Huh? You mean catching fish and eating them?
Totally. It's part of the Turtle School teachings. The ones my dad learned from Master Roshi. According to him, you should be moving, learning, playing, eating, and resting every day. He'd always say that enjoying life is part of one's training, too.
Oh, okay. That sounds like good advice.
Training you makes me nostalgic. It takes me back to a time when Piccolo trained me when I was a kid. Back then, though, I thought I was training with a monster. He was so ruthless. Seriously, it felt like a year and a half of pure torture. Actually, if I remember correctly, I was training to help save Earth from Vegeta and the other Saiyan jerk Nappa that came with him.
Seriously? You had to go through all of that because of my father? I'm so sorry.
You know, it is pretty strange to think I'm training the son of a guy who once tried to destroy the planet. A long time before he trained me, Piccolo supposedly fought my dad as his mortal enemy. Weird how fate works, isn't it?
Yeah, it brings people together. Like us.
Exactly. And all of those people, my dad, yours, and everyone else, they live on in you now, Trunks.
Gohan.
That's why it's so important that you stay alive. And I'll keep training you to make sure you stay that way. If anyone's gonna bring peace, it's you. You're our last hope. Don't worry. You'll surpass me in no time.
I promise I won't let you down.
Good. We'll get stronger together. And we'll make sure our world is safe again. Right, Trunks?
Right!
Piccolo sacrificed himself to protect me back then. I was too young to understand. But now I know what he felt in that moment. You're the last warrior alive who could do this, Trunks. It's all up to you. I'm afraid you're our last hope. The people of this world are going to count on you to protect them when the time comes. But I believe in you with all of my heart. You can do this, Trunks.
A few days later, Trunks and Gohan's training reaches a fever pitch.
Get angry. Angrier.
No! Why can't I turn into a Super Saiyan?
You're almost there, Trunks. It's not easy. My dad and I struggled to become Super Saiyans too. It's like I said before. Rage triggers the transformation. True rage. Thinking about Piccolo, Krillin, and everyone else dying, I was devastated with grief. It upset me so much that I was overcome with anger, and it was then that I became a Super Saiyan. You've got Vegeta's Royal Saiyan blood coursing through your veins. You're going to become a Super Saiyan. I know it. Believe in yourself.
If you say so.
All right. That's enough Super Saiyan training for now. Let's spar.
Okay, let's do it.
Come at me with all you've got.
Right, here it comes!
You can't fight me while I'm at a disadvantage. And you've got no hope of beating the androids.
I know.
You're holding back on me, aren't you?
No, I'm not, I swear.
I'm not that injured. Why would you even need to hold back? Understand?
Right.
If you really get it, then prove it. Go all out.
Sure.
What's wrong? Is this your best? Okay, good. Now, punish your opponent when their guard is down.
I can't pull my punches just because he's injured.
Your defense needs a lot of work. Watch your opponent carefully.
Here it comes!
Good, Trunks. That's how you do it.
I'm still not on your level, Gohan. Take that! Let's go! Let's go!
Getting better.
I have to be better than you. Better than the androids. Take that! Let's go! Down!
Fight me as if I'm an android.
Try this on!
Coming at you full
Take
force.
that!
Well done. That was great.
Thank you.
You're a lot stronger than you were before.
Yeah. If only I could become a Super Saiyan, though.
You will. You just need something to help trigger the transformation.
The city!
It's the androids. They finally found their way here. This is it. Ah!
Gohan, are you sure you're okay?
I'm worried. I might not be able to keep Trunks safe this time. Trunks, stay here, got it? Do not follow me.
No! If you're going, then I'm going too! You said it yourself! I'm a lot stronger now!
Trunks, you're underestimating how hard this fight'll be.
I promise I won't drag you down! I want to help you fight them!
I get it. Fine, Trunks. Let's go.
Okay.
Trunks, you're humanity's last hope. If both of us die, then there won't be a single warrior left to protect the planet. As the only one left who's capable of ending this nightmare in a few years' time, you have to survive. I'm sorry, Trunks. I might not be able to stop the androids, but if you were around, I'd be distracted. As long as I know you're alive and safe, I can give it my all. if I do fail, you'll have what it takes to finish the job. Believe in yourself, and become the man you're meant to be. You got this, Trunks. The androids aren't over here. Damn it. This is it. It's time the androids learned what we humans can do. I need to get to the town, and fast.
Give it a rest, would you, 17? We've already killed almost everyone here. We should head somewhere where tons and tons of people are hiding. It would be way more.
Why are you in such a rush? Let's just try to enjoy ourselves. If we wipe out all of humanity now, then the fun ends and we've got nothing left to do, right? So Gohan, back for more, huh?
No more running away. We're gonna kill you this time.
I won't die. Even if you destroy my body. I'll live on in someone who'll become stronger than me. And he will be the one to stop you once and for all. Let's do this, you freaks!
Hey, no need to get so worked up. Don't worry, we'll make this quick.
Yeah, we've grown tired of playing with you.
Here I go!
Where's the little runt you brought last time?
It's none of your business, jerk. Here I go!
All the macho hero attitude gone.
You're nuts.
I was hoping you'd have a little more fun with you.
Ready to call it quits?
You're weak. Extremely weak. You're gonna die!
Why you?
What a pain in the ass. Try to keep up.
Here it comes!
Choke on this.
really putting in some work.
Go ahead, mock me while you can.
Here I go!
Let's go!
Fight you.
You're a real pain in the ass.
I'm going to finally rid this world of you two.
I'm away from this. There's nowhere to hide.
I'm not letting you go. On this.
Now for the finisher.
Planning on winning all by your lonesome?
I'm more than enough to beat you.
You're done.
The only one who's done is you. You two are history. Now for the finisher. Here it comes.
Whoops. Psych. I feel awful for having to disappoint you like this, but we've only been fighting at half our full power.
You're not going anywhere, Gohan.
I'm out of energy. Damn it. No energy.
Come on, you've got to have more in you than that. Come on, Gohan. I'd hate you to go out like this.
Yeah, get up. Keep it coming. You gonna give up or what? You should.
Bring it on already. You said you were going to defeat us, right?
Let's go. Idiot. All right, I think it's time you finally died.
This is your last chance to stand up to us. Come on, Gohan.
You can.
Even if you beat me, someone, boner.
I think it's time to put him out of his misery, 17.
Okay. Show's over, I guess.
Now to survive, you're our last hope.
Gohan! I can't sense him. I can't sense his energy. Gohan! Gohan. Something's not right. Where are you, Gohan? This happened because I'm weak. He was trying to protect me. Where is he? Where could he be? He must be unconscious somewhere. He's fine. Gohan wouldn't die. He can't be dead. Is that him? Gohan? Gohan? No, Gohan. Please, no. This can't be real. Gohan! 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 Ah!
Trunks had finally become a Super Saiyan. However, the transformation came at a great cost. 3 years have passed. As the only warrior left to stand against the android menace, Trunks continued his training, hoping to one day avenge Gohan and the others. Holding on to hope. End of the android apocalypse.
I'm back, Mom.
Welcome home, Trunks. How was your training?
You won't believe it. I feel like I'm finally making some real headway. I might actually be as strong as Gohan was back then.
Good. You definitely look pretty confident. But don't let your guard down.
Right. I know.
Well, you can never be too safe. Oh, that's right! Oh, it won't be much longer until the time machine is finished. What kind of a response is that? This is a time machine we're talking about. A time machine!
I know. I'm really impressed with what you've done.
Once it's ready to go, you'll be able to head to the past and meet Goku, Gohan's father. You've probably heard of him. And give him his heart medication. With Goku alive and able to fight, something ought to change. Then you can head back to the moment when the androids arrive to help with the fight. Oh, and gather some useful intel for me. I can then use that information to figure out their weaknesses and exploit them here in our time.
But no matter how much I travel to the past, our world won't go back to the way it was. All the people we've lost, they won't come back, will they?
Probably not, no.
Right. That means my father and Gohan will still be gone. But I should be strong enough to stop the androids now. I shouldn't have to go to the past.
Oh, that reminds me, Trunks. There's
Really?
something small. Should be a pretty simple thing. Remember how I told you the time machine's almost complete? Well, I actually don't have enough of what I need for a super important, really critical part.
Sure, I can do that. Where can I find what you need?
Mount Pauzu. You know, where Chi-Chi's, Gohan's house is. You know how to get there, right?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Unfortunately, I don't remember the exact spot where you can find the materials. Maybe try asking Chi-Chi or the Ox King.
It's been a little while since I've seen them, so I could see how they're doing while I'm at it.
Good. That's my boy. If they need anything, make sure to help them out, okay?
Sure.
Oh, I almost forgot. Here's what I need you to bring back.
Got it. I'll see you later. First, I'd better go talk to Chi-Chi.
What's that? I think Chi-Chi or the Ox King should know where you can look. Try asking them, okay? I ended up repairing the training room Vegeta used to use. Now you'll be able to get some training done on your own.
Really? You mean the room Father used to use?
Yep. The room generates a virtual opponent for you to fight. Vegeta fought Goku the most, so his data's in there. But I've also got Vegeta's and Gohan's.
Father and Gohan?
That's right. It might not be quite like fighting the real people, but it'll at least give you a challenging opponent to hone your skills.
Sounds great. I'd love to try it out. There are drones flying around here. If I'm not careful, I could accidentally set off their alarms.
It's over! It's over!
That might be more than I can handle.
It's over! It's over! It's over!
I wonder if Chi-Chi and her father are home. Hello? It's me, Trunks.
Trunks? Hold on just a sec. Well, aren't you a sight for sore eyes? What brings you here?
Sorry it's been so long. My mother needs my help with something. Do you have a minute?
Sure. We weren't really doing anything right now anyway. Isn't that right, Dad?
Yeah, the androids never show up here, so we've got it pretty good. At least, not as bad as people in the cities.
Oh, okay. I wanted to see if you guys were doing okay or if you needed anything.
Nope. We're okay. Glad to hear you were thinking about us, though. What about you? You and Bulma all right?
Yeah, my mother's actually working on something. Oh, that's right. She asked me to come here and help find something she needs. I'm looking for this. Do you know where I can find it in this area?
I have no idea. What about you, Dad?
Well, let's see. Oh, there is a place somewhere on this mountain. But the thing is, it's...
Is there something I should know about it?
Yeah, some weird machines are wandering around the area. Nasty little thingamabobs. They'll attack if you get too close. I think they're old Red Ribbon Army robots.
Oh, yeah. Chi-Chi, you were attacked by some robots before. Maybe they're the same type. If we don't do something about them, they might make their way here and attack you again. I'll take them out while I look for what I need.
Oh, that'd be a huge help. Thank you.
Oh, no, you don't.
Gigi?
I can't send you off somewhere where you could potentially get hurt. If something were to happen to you, I wouldn't hear the end of it from Bulma. She'd blame me, no doubt.
Gigi.
It's okay. I can handle robots like that, no problem. After all, Gohan was the one who trained me. Besides, I'll be careful. You don't need to worry about me, I promise. Once I'm done there, I'll head right back.
Okay, fine. If you're going to give me that look, I guess I can't stop you. But if you find yourself in trouble, you get out of there. Got it?
Right. Come straight back here if you need to.
Of course. Okay, then I'm off.
I suppose Gohan did train him after all. He even sounds just as confident as Gohan.
I should take care of those Red Ribbon Army robots before I look for the materials. I need to finish what I came here to do so I can put Chi-Chi at ease. I'm feeling weak. Need food. The Red Ribbon Army sure did leave behind some real nasty machines. That might be more than I can handle.
This is it!
I can still fight!
This is it! Take this! What?
So these are the things that have been giving Chi-Chi and the Ox King some trouble. They look like real pushovers compared to the androids. I'll wipe them out in no time. I don't have time to waste on these stupid things. They're weak, but they're kind of a pain to fight.
Oh no!
Which one of you is next? Scrap this thing.
Oh no! Too slow!
That's all of them. Okay, no more interruptions now. I need to find what Mom's looking for. I should be able to find it around here. Hard to believe the time machine's almost finished. I shouldn't have to go to the past. I think I have what it takes to stop the androids now. Mom was looking for. Time to head to Chi-Chi's place. Chi-Chi know things went smoothly. Chi-Chi, Ox King. I was able to find what I was looking for. I also took out those Red Ribbon Army robots.
Good. I'm glad to see you're safe and that you got what you needed.
Me too. Way to go, Trunks. You're becoming quite the capable warrior. Have I told you you're like Vegeta?
It's because of Gohan and his training that I'm as strong as I am now. And it's because of him that I'm even alive.
Well, I'm sure Gohan would be really happy to hear that if he were here. While I am lonely without Goku and Gohan, I've got my dad here to keep me company. And Bulma's got you, doesn't she?
True. At least we all have each other.
Speaking of Bulma, you said she was working on something? Then again, I guess she's always doing that, huh?
You got that right. Actually, this time, she's working on a time machine. That's why she needed what I came here to get.
Did you say time machine?
Wow, that's one heck of a thing to create. I'm pretty sure Bulma might be a genius or something.
She's going to have me use the time machine to go to the past. That way, I can give Goku some medication to keep him from dying. With Goku alive, we should be able to find a way to stop the androids. Well, that's the plan at least.
Wait, so does that mean Goku and Gohan will come back to life?
Probably not. I don't think changing anything in the past will affect us here. It's really unfortunate.
Oh, I see.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to get your hopes up.
Oh no, it's okay. If you can save Goku in the past, please do so. At least past me won't be so depressed. I'd be a little jealous of her, though.
Yeah, I'm with Chi-Chi on that one.
I understand. I wish there was something I could do.
You're sweet, Trunks. You don't need to worry about us. Make sure you keep taking care of Bulma, okay?
Be careful on your way back.
You're welcome here anytime. Oh, and tell Bulma I said hi.
Okay, thanks you two. I'm off then. With that taken care of, it's time to head home. An oasis like this in the middle of the desert. Whoa! An oasis! I can feel power surging through me! believe what they've done to the city. I hope we can restore our home to what it used to be. Chi-Chi said not to worry about her. But I can tell she's having a hard time. All right, Mom's waiting. I'm back, Mom. This is what you needed, right?
Yep, that's it! Oh, now I've got what I need to finish the machine. Thanks! So, how are Chi-Chi and her dad doing?
They're fine, but they still seem like they're struggling with Gohan's death. If I can find some time, I should probably try to visit them occasionally.
Right. I'm sure they'd appreciate that.
It would be great to head to the past and help create a world where Gohan and the others are still alive. I sure wish I could at least take the androids out now and bring peace to our world.
Sure, that would certainly help us here, but we don't have what it takes to pull that off right now. That's why we need you to go to the past and save Goku. That'll hopefully change everything we need to help us here. I mean, better than letting the androids continue to toy with you, right? Even if it is another world, there should be a future without the androids somewhere. Come on, you've got to give it a shot.
You're right.
Trunks, I finally did it! Thanks to your help, I was finally able to finish my work on the time machine!
Really?
I should be able to charge up enough energy for a round trip pretty soon. 20 years into the past ought to be possible. This thing takes about 8 months to charge, so I can't really run any tests. I think you'll still be good to make it back here safely, though. I would have been able to create a much more reliable machine if my lab hadn't been destroyed.
Mom, I think I'm strong enough to beat the androids now. We won't have to risk a trip to the past.
Oh, Trunks, not this again.
I'm serious. I'm confident. I have what it takes now.
We interrupt this program to bring you breaking news on the android threat. The androids have been spotted wreaking havoc in the vicinity of West City.
That's close.
Wait a minute, Trunks. Don't you even think about it.
I'm heading over there. I can't let them keep doing this.
Trunks, stop! Do not go fight them!
Given my training, I should be even stronger now than Gohan was. Today's the day I avenge everyone they murdered. Just you wait, androids! This struggle ends today. There's no point traveling to the past if nothing here will change. Ha! If I take out the androids now, I won't have to go to the past. Yeah. I hope we can restore our home to what it used to be. Okay, they look pretty weak. Okay, they look pretty weak. Even this town wasn't safe.
Hey, 17. I think we killed everyone here. Let's head back.
Good call.
All right, you monsters. The killing stops today. You're going to pay for what you did to Gohan.
It's the brat again. Still hasn't learned his lesson, huh?
You don't know when to give up. I hate that.
It's been 3 years since you murdered Gohan. I've spent that time getting better so I can kill you. I'm done hiding from you. You two are finished.
Better. I hate to break it to you, but it still won't be enough to stop us.
You're not very bright if you really think you can win now.
Take this! Why you? Yeah! Right! Yeah! Right! Who's that? This is it! Not bad! Down you go! Too slow! Get out of here! This is it! Why you? This is it! Not bad! This is it! Why you? This is it! Not bad!
Choke on this!
Take this! Take this! Go! Why you?
Try to keep up, okay? Choke on this!
Oh no!
You may be bigger than you were before, but sorry, Pumpkin. Truth is, you're still just a weak little fool.
What?
Oh, you were just kidding with us when you said you were better.
This is it!
Okay, I'll admit you are a tiny bit better than before.
Let's go!
We've got infinite energy reserves in our bodies. We can do this all day. Literally.
You sound like you're out of breath. Getting tired?
My attacks aren't working. Why?
Keep up, okay? On this.
Not bad. Why you? What?
You're done!
What? This is it! Why you?
Take this! Let's go! I can still fight! What? This is it! By you!
But looks like that's not happening.
Just you wait! I'm going to stop you two! Take this! What?
Let's see you try to run over.
What?
Try to keep up, okay? Choke on this. Let's go.
Take this! Let's go! Oh no! What?
You're done!
What? This is it!
Why you?
You're done!
Let's see you try.
But he's still just a cocky little brat.
You won't be so confident for much longer.
Try to keep up, okay?
What? This is it!
Make sure you know just how terrifying we are.
At this point.
What? You're done!
Oh no! This is it!
Let's see you try to run away from this. There's nowhere to
I'm not letting you go too slow.
What? I can still fight!
Try to
There's
keep
no
up,
escaping
okay?
this.
Choke on this.
What? Until I beat you! This is it!
Why you? Why you?
Keep up, okay? Choke on this.
Let's go!
keep up, okay? Choke on this.
What? You're done! What? This is it!
Goodbye, you.
Let's go! Not much longer until I get my revenge!
Stop acting like you're winning.
What? Oh no!
Try to keep up, okay? Choke on this.
Let's go! This is it! Take this! How's that? I did it! I finally did it! What?
I'll give you a little credit. You are actually stronger.
But your attacks are too predictable. You're just gonna tire yourself out, little guy.
No! This can't be happening! What? Where'd they go? Why are you doing this to us?
Well, Dr. Giraud created us to help him take over the world, but honestly, we couldn't care less about that.
We can't stand looking at you people. We just hate you. It's that simple.
That's why you're killing us. You have to be stopped. I'm an idiot. I wasn't strong enough on my own. The androids are far too strong. Gohan's dead, and I learned nothing from his death. I guess I have to use the time machine to go to the past.
Though critically wounded, Trunks managed to survive, and in 5 days' time, he awakened. His fight made him acutely aware of his shortcomings, so he decided to take Bulma's advice and travel to the past.
All set.
Remember, you absolutely have to give Goku his heart medication. And be careful, okay?
Right. You too, Mom.
I'm counting on you, Trunks.
Okay. Wish me luck.
And so, Trunks journeyed to the past, dispatching Frieza and his men with ease, and meeting a younger Vegeta and Bulma, as well as their friends. Shortly thereafter, Goku arrived on Earth. Trunks informed him of the events set to take place in 3 years' time and gave him the heart medication. Still hopeful his actions in the past would improve his world, Trunks made his way back to his mother in the future.
I'm back, Mom.
Welcome home, Trunks. The time machine hold up okay?
Yeah, I was able to meet Goku and give him the medication.
Oh, that's a relief. I wasn't able to run any tests on the machine, so I was worried it might malfunction. Then again, a genius like me doesn't make mistakes. So, did you happen to meet anyone else?
I did. I met a younger you and Gohan, as well as Krillin. And Father, too, of course.
Oh, you met a younger me. Well, what did you think? I was a looker, wasn't I? I mean, that hasn't changed, of course.
Yeah. She trusted me right away. I'm guessing it's because she sensed some sort of connection with me.
Yeah, maybe that's what it was. Yeah, right. I didn't have much of a choice. So, you said you met Vegeta, huh? He was a real pain. I bet he gave you one heck of a hard time.
Yeah, I wouldn't say he was a pain, but he was definitely intimidating. I could tell he had a strong sense of pride.
Yeah, that's him.
He was pretty standoffish, so I didn't get to talk to him much, which is good, I guess. I couldn't let him find out who I am. But I was glad I finally got to meet him.
Maybe it's for the best you two didn't talk much. Who knows? You might have ended up regretting meeting him. Back then, he was different.
So he really was a difficult person then?
Kind of. But he wasn't always so cold to everyone, you know.
Oh yeah? I'm sure I would have learned that if I'd had more time with him. Anyway, all that's left to do is wait for the androids to show up there and go provide support. I wonder how Goku and the others are going to fight the androids. I hope they can find a way to beat them.
Okay, I'll start getting the time machine in working order again and charge up some energy for another round trip. It'll take some time, though, so make sure you're good and ready for the trip.
Right, will do. I'll use the time it takes to charge up the machine to train myself up for the fight ahead. I can't believe what they've done to this city. I hope we can restore our home to what it used to be. There are drones flying around here. I'm not careful, I could accidentally set off their alarms. It's over! Okay, they look pretty weak. I can still fight! This is it! Take this! No! This is it! Tesla! This is it! What? Too slow! This is it! This is it!